Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my jerk sweet chili chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So guys, first things first, I'm removing all impurities from the chicken, excess fat, feathers, skin, just stuff that's just not needed, guys. Okay guys, here we have our chicken and I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I'm just going to massage that on the chicken, and this is just going to allow the season to stick to it, guys. So for this season, I'm using all-purpose season, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and oregano. Now guys, I'm just rubbing all that season over the chicken, just making sure that it is well seasoned. And when I tell you, this was well seasoned, guys, like this had so much flavor, it was so good, just amazing. Now guys, I'm gonna be using the jerk marinade for my chicken. I did not have the actual jerk season, but yeah, I also went ahead and I add 2 teaspoons of browning, and that's the Grace browning, and I'm just rubbing that all over the chicken as well. And guys, you want to go ahead and marinate your chicken. You can marinate your chicken overnight, or you can even do it a couple hours in advance, or you can even go ahead and cook your chicken, guys, just like that. Now I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, and I'm just rubbing that all over my chicken. Now guys, remember your chicken needs to be flavorful. Like this is jerk chicken, guys, oven baked, you know. Oven baked, but it was really flavorful, guys. I do hope you guys try this recipe. Now I'm gonna be placing my chicken in a Pyrex dish, and I'm just greasing that foil. Now guys, I'm gonna be baking these for an hour and a half at a temperature at 350 degrees. And here it is, guys. This was an hour in the oven, and no, it's not burnt, it's just the browning. Okay, now I'm gonna be adding that sweet chili sauce to the chicken. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my, if you haven't had sweet chili jerk chicken, like, what are you doing with your life? I promise you, this was so good. This was amazing, guys. You have to try this, promise. Like, it was so good, amazing, so good, and it smells so good. And that's how it looked, guys, after basting it with that sweet chili sauce. Now I'm gonna bake it for a remaining 30 minutes. And there it is, guys. Just amazing. Oh my goodness, so good. Now guys, this is how it looked after it's been plated. I went ahead and I paired that with rice and peas. I also have some garden salad on the side, plantain and avocado. I love you guys so much for stopping to watch another video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.